made it to White Rock Lake. So I've already been out here one time to kind of do a scouting mission, and so there's some really nice, beautiful places out here. So we're just gonna give it a try. Let's see if we can find an area that is a little remote without a lot of people. So let's give this a shot. I'm gonna try to find a place that's really nice and quiet so I can maybe buzz the drone around. I can still feel it back there. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Let's go check out my backpack. This place is really beautiful. It's White Rock Lake. The first time I was out here, I tried to do a live Facebook thing, and that didn't work out too well because I think the reception was just horrible and the quality of the video was just not good. So we're headed to White Rock Lake Trail. We're not going to go deep in because that's going straight that way, so we're going to go that way. It's not as many people on the trail it was the very first time because they were having I guess a bike race or a marathon or something like that, and it was really interesting. So there was a lot of traffic. I didn't fly the drone that day or anything like that. So okay, all right, YouTube, don't flag me for that music that you just heard passing by. I don't. Anyway, so all right, we're gonna take a left, go this way. Donated to the citizens of Dallas by For the Love of the Lake and Lakewood Service League, March of 2011. So I went through here last time on my first hike, and it's not really anything impressive other than it's just a little hike through some wilderness. You know, you might have a little bit of a fish or something down there. Let's see. But we'll take you through there because I like it because there's not a lot of people on this trail. Oh, that's right. What's going on with this here? Someone. Oh, that's right. We had to go under it last time. Let's try this again. Get caught on anything. Okay. We're missing anything? All right. Last time one of my cameras came unloose and fell. That was interesting. So, and the place was really busy. A lot of people. I'm not going to say hundreds. There was at least 1,000 or more. So I ended up hiking back after I finished my hike, and it was about maybe 3/4 of a mile later that I found my camera right there, over there by the ducks. This is really cool right there too. How, I don't know what the purpose of this is. There's got to be some type of reasoning behind it. But let's go over here and find a spot, and maybe I can launch my little drone here just to get some little drone action. Oh, there's some water right there. It's a nice little pond area. Pretty nice. It's a beautiful area. A hidden gem within Dallas. This nice little, beautiful little nature preserve area that was dedicated, as the sign said, back in March of 2011. Well, today is the first day that I flew that little quad on one of my hikes. That thing is really nice. Well, I think this trail still continues on because I didn't see the people that walked through here earlier turn back. Look at this nice little kind of jungle area. As predicted, this brought me right over here by the dam. Let's go on up there. It's amazing. Oh, those dragonflies. Or something. Ooh, this is a steep little hill. You can see those rocks right there. They're all nice and sparkle to it. There's the lake. If anything, I might go back down there and launch the drone from down there, because it might be a little better, less alarming. I'm going to launch the drone and see what kind of aerials we can get. I think we're in a safe enough area. We can launch it and not alarm people too much.
There's some really interesting history going on here. In the early 1900s, Dallas was experiencing water shortages, and they began construction of White Rock Lake in 1910. What you see right there on the left with the smokestack, that is called the Filter Building, and that was constructed in 1922. There's a lot of great history, a lot of details that you can find about the Filter Building and White Rock Lake on a website called thefilterbuilding.com. I'll make sure to go ahead and put the link in the description, and when you have time, go check it out.
I would say 45 degrees. I don't know. That was nice. Okay. Look at that. You can see that incline from here. Look at all those dragonflies. I don't know if you can see them on the camera. But all those are dragonflies, or something of related to that family. Oh, this is really nice. I'm going to show you what's coming up here in a second. I don't know if you can see that from over here, but that's pretty nice. Warning. Wonder if you can walk over here. No admittance. Let's just take a look. See what kind of view we can get. See if this person will stop me. Oh, how convenient. Look at that. The sun's right there above that. I didn't plan that. Very nice. This is a cannon from 1367. Don't believe me. Whatever you do, don't believe me. Okay. So, this is really nice. Pretty good relic that they have here. I guess back when they were pumping water. There is a, I want to say this is like 50s or 40s or 30s. There was a sign up here that said something about it that had a historical marker. I think it's coming up over here. The filter building. White Rock Rowing. Gosh, say that. White Rock Rowing. White Rock Rowing. White Rock Rowing. Let's see here. Oh, somebody adopted this. White Rock Rowing. Rock, 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 rock. Rock, 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 rock. Okay. Let's see what's going on over here. Hello in the tube. Anything in there? I guess not. All right, well this ends my journey for today at White Rock Lake. I don't know how many miles I walked. Hot day, 2.4 miles. That's nothing, but it is hot. Got to get at least what I wanted, make sure I got all my cameras. Well, thank you again for watching Exploring with Fernando. I've got some exciting stuff coming up, so make sure you stay tuned and share, like, and do all that other good stuff that everybody says. All right, thank you. Until next time.